I'm here at the A3 Business Forums and I'm learning all about the future of our industry. And I got Nikki Gonzalez here. Nikki, what have you learned so far? Oh, well, we'll see Nikki later, but hey, check it out. We got Lauren and we got Kathy the Conveyor Cougar. More importantly, look who we found. Nikki is here. Hey, this is Tim.
This is Amber.
And we are at the A3 Business Forums. Now, many of y'all are familiar with Automate, which is like the show that has like 50,000 people at it, and you can learn about all types of cool products. I think the A3 Business Forum, what I'm learning is it has a lot to do more to do with kind of having a finger on the pulse of the industry. What's going on, what the trends are things going up, are things going down? And so I've learned a lot. So we started out, well, first of all, I started out semi-understanding what it's like to be a woman in the industry because I went to the Women's
Empower Hour.
Empower Hour, and I was one of two men there. And
Hold on.
we have Chris Lugerke here taking a selfie with us, of us taking a video.
So this morning's speaker, what I hear was amazing. It was importance of ITR economics outlook for 2026 and early 2027, which in our industry is huge.
Well, and it was really enlightening because I think a lot of times we do things just because it feels right. I think he gave a lot of key indicators to show us the why of what we should be doing. Just wandering around, look at there's Kathy Ryan, the Conveyor Cougar with Flex Line.
The next thing was the Executive Roundtable.
And then we had an Executive Roundtable. And
Kathy?
Kathy can tell you all about what all happened here.
I did take notes on the Executive Roundtable.
Well, there you go. She took notes. I didn't take
I took
notes.
a lot of notes.
Yeah.
The Executive Roundtable, I think my takeaway was humanoids are still a way out. And the biggest thing was that technology needs to be ready for the plant floor.
Yes.
That was one of the things that Mike talked about. I think that was what was important. It's great to have all of this high tech stuff, but at the end of the day, it has to work with people that have boots on the ground. Right?
That's right. And that's what we've got to work on, making a more ready workforce for these so we can implement them. Kathy, how many times have you been here?
To the conference, this is my third.
All right.
Yeah, third.
It's our first.
Yeah, we're so happy to have you. And you guys are new members, and we're super happy to have you as a part of A3. I serve with Amy on the membership committee, and we had a record year for new members. So we're up over 1,400. And so we're excited about that, and so happy to have you among us.
And if you're interested, then I'll put a link down in the description where you can learn more.
Absolutely.